Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Laura. Thanks for spending time with me today. Today the recipe that I'm going to share with y'all is a pumpkin with Nutella. And what sounds better than pumpkin with Nutella spread swirled in the bread? Delicious. A lot of spices, a lot of flavor going on in this cake. I thought that you would enjoy it, so we're going to get right on to it. And I will list the recipe down in the description box along with other recipes that you might be interested in right now at this time of the year. But before that, if you are new here, welcome. I sure hope you consider hitting that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, and you will be notified every time I upload a video. If you are a regular here, thanks for spending time with me today. I appreciate you. Don't forget, if you're enjoying the content, big thumbs up. That really helps the channel, and comments really help the channel as well. Okay guys, let's go ahead and jump on into the video. Alright, to start this recipe off, we are going to mix some spices into our flour. And the first thing that we are going to add is some cinnamon. We're going to add 2 teaspoons. These are half teaspoons, so we're going to put 4 of these. We're going to put 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of ginger. Okay, well it doesn't fit in there, so we're just going to pour it out. More or less. Teaspoon of ginger, half a teaspoon of ground cloves, and half a teaspoon of salt. So we're going to take all that and we're going to whisk it together. Okay, this is ready. Let's go ahead and get started on the other ingredients. Alright, the first thing that we are going to do is cream the butter. We're going to cream the butter and the sugar for a couple of minutes until it's very light and creamy. Okay, from here we're going to drop the eggs one at a time and the pumpkin. And then the other egg. Okay, we're going to drop the bowl and we're going to scrape everything down. Make sure there's nothing stuck anywhere. Alright, at this point we're going to start dropping in some flour a little bit at a time. And just go slow so you don't get a flour bath. In the pecans at this point. And that's it. We're ready. I'm going to transfer you back over to the counter. Okay, I already have the oven preheating to 350 degrees. I have a 9x5 baking loaf pan. I have sprayed it. These are non-stick, so I don't need to add parchment. You can if you want to. What we are going to do is layer this. We're going to put some of the pumpkin dough here. Get 1 layer at the bottom. And just try to get it even. It doesn't have to be perfect. A little bit more in that corner. Okay, now we're going to take our Nutella. And what I did is I warmed it up just a little bit. And we're going to drizzle it all around this first layer. Don't put too much. Don't overdo it. Just kind of get it all over. Okay, now we do the next layer. And then you repeat it with the Nutella. If you want to use a spoon, you can. I just grabbed what I had in front of me, which was the spatula. And then we add the last layer, top. It smells so good already. Okay, then I'm gonna add the last layer of Nutella, whatever's left. Okay, now you're gonna take your skewer. We are just going to press it to the bottom and just rotate it. Mix it however you want to mix it. Okay, and that's it. It's going to go into the oven for about 45 minutes. I will give you the exact cooking time as soon as it's out. We will be right back. Look at that. I wish you could smell it. It already smells delicious. Alright guys, the cake is out of the oven. It stayed in there for exactly 1 hour. Everybody's oven is different, so you need to test your cake. Insert a toothpick. It's kind of hard to know because of the Nutella, but if you don't get any more of the pumpkin of the dough, then it's ready. So I cannot cut it right now. It's very hot. I'm going to let this cool for about 20 minutes or so, and then I'm going to transfer it to a serving platter, and we'll be back then to cut it and give it a taste. Look at that, how delicious. Okay, let's take a bite. Okay guys, here it is. Let's take a bite. It smells delicious. Oh, this is so good. So creamy. I don't even know what to say. This is so good. There's just enough chocolate spread in the cake that you can still pick up the pumpkin flavor. This is so creamy and just so moist. So delicious. You can still pick up that pumpkin flavor, but it's not just, you know, over the top all pumpkin. It is a good blend of the chocolate hazelnut spread with the pumpkin together, if that makes any sense. It's just outstanding. I just hope that you give it a try. It is delicious. The top is nice and crunchy because of the chocolate and the bread combination. It's real nice, but the inside is very, very moist. I don't know if you can see how you can see the almost marble-like effect on the cake. It is delicious, guys. You need to give it a try. Okay, guys, that's going to conclude the video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed making it for you. Don't forget, if you're enjoying the content, big thumbs up. Comments down below. That really helps the channel. And if you have any suggestions on something you want me to make, just leave it in the comments and I will get back with you. I will have a list of videos down in the description box of maybe things that you're interested in for this time of the season. Go take a look there. All the information will be there. Okay guys, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye. Good, 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 good.